leg press.
What you doing there?
Lying up. Having a scratch. I'm not leg pressing this, my leg hurts. I don't know, that's like 20 kilos. Oh,
It's 40.
no, there's two there, and one on the top.
Oh, that's lots. Now I'm gonna go and do 260 now.
Okay.
Chest pressing.
Go, Mel.
260. Hold on. I don't feel like it.
You have to, because you're a tank.
Whose drink is this?
Don't be drinking no one's drink. Oh yeah.
Don't disturb me. What'd you say?
I said, what's meant to 260? When I lie down.
Move down a bit. Move down a bit.
I can do it like this though.
I'll try 280.
Quick.
No, I'll try 300. Go. 300?
300. Hang on, make sure that it says 300.
Oh, I'm tired, but...
Don't be tired.
You are such a distraction.
Look at this, look
Step
at
back.
this sweat. Oh my
I'm not even
god.
sweating anymore. Go away. I can't touch it. Oh my god. I'm going red.
Back to the life. Oh.
We're in the ladies' part of the gym, playing with the weights.
Don't be recording me.
Inhale, exhale.
Hey, Anti-Chris.
Todd Cranes. Do it.
No, I'm bored. Let's go out in the big boys area.
Alright. I'm gonna pee on this fucking fly.
That's it.